How to change font on Gboard. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your font on Gboard. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just click on search and just type in for Gboard, and it will show you the apps under your app section. Just click on it, and to open your Gboard, you can just simply click on open and it will open your Gboard. So from over here, what you can do is, if you see the font section or font option from here, then you can simply change your font. If you don't see, you can simply click on preference, and as you can see, there's a font option. So it basically change your font from system default or Gboard default, but you can't actually change your font style or size, anything like that. So to do that, what you can simply do is just come back to your settings once again and stay on your search and just search in for your font. So from over here, what you can do is you can either choose font size and style, or you can just choose on font style. So let me just choose on font style, and from over here you can just, based on your size, you can just increase your size and make your font bold, just like this. Or you can also convert your font style by simply selecting any one of these, just like this. So that is exactly how you can easily change your font and style on Gboard. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.